Today, I will be showing you how to register for classes at Enterprise State Community College. First, you're going to navigate to the home page, which is escc.edu. Then, you will go to the top and click My ESCC. This page has various options available for you to click on, such as My ESCC Students, My ESCC Faculty and Staff, Schedule of Classes, and Steps to Register. But for this video, we're going to click My ESCC Students. For My ESCC, your username will be your first initial, last name, and your 4-digit birthday, which is going to be the month and the day, followed by @student.escc.edu. The password will be !ESCC in all caps, and the 6-digit birthday. Once you have logged in, you will navigate to the Student tab. After that, you will see various options available like admissions, registration, student profile, student records, and student account. To register for classes, click Registration. Next, you will go to Look Up Classes. You will select the term that you are enrolling for. Then you will click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will see the various subjects offered here at Enterprise State. For these video purposes, we will select Physical Science. Once you choose your subject, you will click Course Search. Here are the classes offered in Physical Science. Once you have picked a class, click View Sections. Here are the classes offered in Physical Science. Here you have the title, the days, the time, and the instructor. To register a certain class, you will select this box. After that, you will go down and click Register. To summarize today's video, follow the steps listed below. If you are registering as a first-time freshman, it is recommended to speak with an advisor to register for your classes. You have successfully registered for classes at ESCC.